Hi guys, this is Vysh. So this is an update in UPSC website. They have given a notification July 1 dated today. So there's no other slides and all I prepared. It's about your exam center. You can change it because now the situation is not right, but they still want to conduct the exam on October 4. So hopefully things will be all right by then, but still they are giving you a chance in case you want to change your exam center. You can change your exam center in this window, July 7 to 13 and July 20 to 24. So I'll directly go to the website and show you, because as I told, I've not prepared any other slide and all. So here you see in upsc.gov.in, like this scrolling things will be there, like many updates they do every time. So if you click here, see, this is the important notice. So if you click here, view all, they'll show you all the latest ones. So the last one was like June 5, they told the exam will happen on October 4. Now this important notice has come. When I click on this, see, dated July 1, it has come today. UPSC Civil Service 2020 and Indian Forest Service 2020. The prelims is common for both of the exams. Now see the notice. The UPSC will be conducting the exam on 4/10, that is October 4, as per the revised program that is published on June 5. So same, they want to conduct it on October 4 itself. So keeping in view the large number of candidates of the Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020, including Forest Service, and the request received from the candidates for changing their centers, the Commission has decided to give an opportunity to them to submit the revised choice of center. So besides above, the option to change the mains exam is also given. Okay, like prelims and mains, both you have already filled. So they are giving you the chance to change it. Okay, because taking into consideration the situation, maybe your city is not safe, you are locked somewhere, you are not able to travel. So maybe the current city you can give, or you can, if you want to move out that city by that time, that also. So it's like your personal choice. I don't recommend everybody to go and change, because by October mostly situation will be better. Okay. So here the request of the candidates for change in centers will be considered against the additional capacity intimated. So they have some additional capacity being planned, so that will be also limited. So it will be first come first this thing only here, first apply first allot basis. So if you see, the window is in two phases, that is 7 to 13 July 2020 and 20 to 24 July 2020, 6 p.m. So in this website, so I'll click on that website and show you. Now nothing is there, but this is just a notification, so I wanted to let you know. So the candidates may please note that their change for request in the centers will be considered based on this thing, first apply first allot. So you can on that day you can do that. And here the below details, let me see whether it is important. Once the capacity of particular center is attained, the same will be frozen. So again, it will be limited seats. So if you want to change anything, like suppose because Maharashtra, Delhi and all is like too much affected, so maybe people want to give exam in some other place, so you can give a different place in this particular date. Okay, and they have told like all the other things, eligibility, all the other things will be I think same only as per the original notification. See somewhere here 12/2. Okay, that is February February 12th, I think, or when did the notification come initially? Based on that, okay, based on that original notification, it will be same. Okay, there's no other changes, only the exam center they are mentioning. Then withdrawal window. Okay, like in case you need to withdraw the application also, you don't want to give an attempt, that also window will be open on 1st to 8th August 2020. Okay, now if you go to withdrawal window, nothing will be there. I'll show you that link after we complete this. Okay, remaining everything is same only. Okay, there is no other change. And see, once the application has been withdrawn, it cannot be revived in future. So if you are deciding you don't want to give attempt, you can withdraw. Okay, now if you click on this link, this is the nic.in where you would have applied your exam. This is where you went and applied. So here if you see, there is nothing now to change the exam center. So that window, that July 7 which they are telling, on that day I expect one link will come, and on that link you have to click. Okay, like now if you here click like online application for various exam, it will simply take you to this NDA exam which is going on. Okay, there is nothing about this exam center and all. Now if you go back, online request of withdrawal of application for various exam, that also if you click, no examination notice for withdrawal. So now you cannot do, but August 1 to 8 you can have an option to withdraw your 2020 application if you want. And like this was students, okay, like who think like this year I'm not ready, I want to give next year only, you can withdraw your application if you have already applied. So like this, I think one more link will come where the change in exam center will be there. Okay, so that will come on July 7 or maybe after 2-3 days. So whenever it comes, you can go and see. When something comes, I'll make a video for it. As of now, this is the only details which UPSC have given, but because it's a very important notification, taking into consideration the situation around, because most people are having this doubt like I cannot go to exam center and all. That is why I thought I'll let you know. Okay, so again, this is the maximum I can tell you. So even if you come and ask me again anything, I don't think I can give you an update. Okay, if anything is there, I'll surely make a video and tell you of how to fill it or how to change it. Maybe it's be a simple thing. A link will be there. You have to apply, give your roll number, registration ID, whatever, and then they will ask you to select from the new intimated seats. Okay, how much ever extra capacity is there, that will come as a drop down or something, and you can select and submit. Okay, it will get updated. That's how it will work. So you have to wait for it. Okay, you have to wait for July 7 to see how it will work. So continue learning. Today is July 1. If you have not started your studies till now, at least today start it. Okay, so because everything what we can do from our end, we are doing it for you. Even YouTube, you can go and see how much things are there for you made every day. So please get back to me for any enrollment or any other such related doubt about this exam center. This is the only update I can give you. So thank you and have a nice day.